everybody. This is Tony Fitzwater from Fitzwater Investigations. I'm at Penn Station, Baltimore, Maryland, awaiting my morning train into Washington. Right now, presently, it's 4:18, and the train that's moving right now is supposedly the one that is picking me up. Notice I'm saying supposedly when this train is supposed to be on this track at 10 after. It's supposed to be driving and picked up and ready for pickup at 4:20. Right now, it's 4:18 and the train is nowhere near picking people up. This is a day-to-day event. Constantly, trains are not prepared in the morning at all. Okay? The train is supposed to be, and if you take a look here, oh, now they got rid of it. So it's a last call. The last call. I'm posting this on YouTube because I'm tired of broken system. Bring it back down. 4:19, train is not prepared. When we're supposed to be departing, the train is not. I'm recording this. I'm putting on YouTube. The constant late train every day. Yeah, I'm trying not to put people in the camera. You can hear the Amtrak train coming in. Still no train. We're supposed to have been departed by now. In fact, if you take a look at the train, it says departed. Right there. It says departed. The train has not arrived. It's now 4:21. No train. This is an everyday morning event. Amtrak and Marc train cannot maintain their trains and have them on time. In fact, their crew showed up today at 4:11, sitting around and goofing off. The conductor didn't show up before 4:17, and yet no train. It's 4:22 and no train. No train. We're waiting 4 minutes for this train to be on time. The train is slowly coming around the corner. As you can tell, I don't know if you can see the light. That bright light right there is the train. It's 4:23. It's not even in the station yet. 4:23. No train. As I said, it's been 5 minutes since the train should have been here and ready for people to board. In fact, there's no more sign telling you that the train is coming on the boards. Finally, the train is showing up at 4:24. The train is showing up. The train is supposed to have been here at 4:20 and boarding. Train is not boarding. Now we have to walk all the way to the end of the aisle to get on the train. Notice once more, it's 4:24. The train is not ready for boarding. Notice you still have to go all the way to the end of the train to get on the train, the end of the aisle to get on the train. .425, the train is stopped. 4:25, so the train is now late 5 minutes. The conductor of the train finally got off at 4:25. Slowly meandering. Alright, on the train. Conductor goes by at 4:26 and the train is not ready to take off. So yeah, I'm just waiting for the train. Now it's still 4:26 and it's still waiting for the train to take off. This train in the morning is scheduled to depart Penn Station at 4:20 in the morning. 8 minutes have gone by. The train is late by 8 minutes. Train doors are closed. That's Josh, the overhead, one of the conductors, a ticket collector, not a conductor. Train now departs at 4:27 a.m. The train is departing. 4:27, the train has finally left. Slowly. As stated before, that this train is continually late every morning for over 7 minutes. According to my watch, this train should have been posted on the track 9 minutes and 13 seconds ago. I will be posting this on YouTube. I'll wait and post it with the fact that we get late again into Washington. Now this train is supposed to be in Washington at 5:21. 5:20. Notice it's 4:27. So it's supposed to be, it's going to be late more than 10 minutes already. Stopping now.